Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to cut 3 large Lake Superior agates and see what's inside. I like all 3 of these. They're nice and big, and I'll tell you why I like them for different reasons. This one I like, and the reason I like it is that deep red color there, and I get a sense that there is, for one thing, conchoidal fractures, which is a good sign. And on this side, see that deep red? And there may be some evidence of banding there. So I have a feeling this is going to be my favorite one. And we'll see what's inside. This example has that pockmarked or potato skin exterior. But other than that, I don't see any translucency in it. Nor do I see evidence of bands. So this one's a bit of a crapshoot, but we'll see what's inside. And this is the last one. It has tons of translucency, but I don't see any evidence of banding. I do see some fractures, so we're gonna give this one a try too, and see what the interior holds. Let's do it. So let's go and cut some agates. Today we're going to be using the 10-inch high-tech diamond saw, and we're going to cut 3 Lake Superior agates. 3 large Lake Superior agates. Let's do it. Well, we had a fracture, which is unfortunate. Let's see what we've got here. You ready? It looks not that great. There could be some mossiness in there, but we'll have to take it in and have a closer look. But let's cut these other guys first. All right. Let's see what's inside this one. You ready? Oh yeah. Really quartzy. I don't see any banding, but kind of cool. We'll have a better look when we go in, okay? Actually, this one was my favorite one that I wanted to try. I think there's a lot of potential with this one. Number 3. Holy moly. This one took an extremely long time to cut. My hands are frozen and it's hard on the hands, but you know, because it was so hard, it gives me a good feeling about what's in here. So, you ready? Let's take a look. Oh yeah, look at the reds in there. I told you those reds were gonna be cool. Oh my, it looks almost misty. Oh yeah, I love it. There's a lot of character in there. Look at the swirls of red. We're going to take this inside and have a closer look, and there's pinks and yellows. I love this. Let's go have a look. Cheers. So this was the first one that I cut, and I don't see a lot of potential there. There's some nasty fractures, and I don't know, I see some nice yellow in there. I might do another slab just to make sure, but I'm not sure we're gonna do anything with this one. And then, number 2, this is just a lot of quartz and lots of fractures. I don't see any potential here, but look at this. Look at that. Wow. There's a lot going on in there. You know what I'm gonna do? I am gonna make a slab and I'm gonna make a cab out of this. Multiple cabs. Maybe we'll do it in this video. What do you think? Cheers. So this is that last Lake Superior agate that I cut and made into a slab. And then I trimmed off the edges of the slab to get to that beautiful red, mossy, beautiful color there. It's like the colors and the swirling pattern. So I'm gonna take a few minutes this morning just to give it a little polish and maybe a further trim and see what I can make out of this. So come along, let's go see what we can do. All right, so we've got this little slab, Lake Superior agate with the beautiful red colors. So I'm going to start by giving it a polish and bring it down a little bit and see how that turns out. We'll see what it looks like. Cheers. It's actually really, really cold. My hands are frozen already. I think I might have to change out some warm water for the cold. Holy moly, I'm frozen. Woo! And I've trimmed it down a little bit more, but what I intend to do is use my stencil. These are the Alex Melnick stencils in a teardrop shape, and I'm going to choose one and we're going to make a stencil out of this piece. I actually quite like the dark red, so we'll give it a try. Let me choose one and we'll come back. Okay, let's choose this. We'll draw our shape that we're going to be going for. That'll be our guide. We'll cut inside the line because I got really close to the edge there, but my sides are nice and straight, so there's no undercutting, so that should be okay. All right. I think that red shape is going to be nice. All right, so I think I'm going to go back to the saw and cut this piece off and this piece so I don't have so much wear and tear on my grinding wheels. So let's do that and then we'll start grinding. Okay, I cut the shape as per the stencil. I got really close to the line here, so I'll have to be careful. And now we're gonna come back to the grinding wheels and make our shape. I'm just taking a break because my fingers are frozen, trying to warm them up a bit. Did you notice sometimes when all that muddy kind of stuff came up and left a dark streak? I have a feeling there's some pockets in here that are filled with muck or dirt. Anyway, that's what I think, but the shape's coming along pretty good. So I've got the general shape on the 80 grit and I've moved over to the 220. As soon as my fingers warm up a bit, we're gonna keep going. Cheers. So, I'm just warming up a bit. My hands are so cold. One day I'm gonna have a heated garage and we'll be able to do this without freezing to death. Here's my cab so far. The shape's coming along nicely and it actually has some nice color in there. While I'm warming up, I just wanted to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I really appreciate you coming back and watching my videos, and I really love making them for you. And I hope to bring you more in the future and maybe some more giveaways. But I do notice that 85% of my views are from people that are not subscribed. So if you can, please consider liking and subscribing our channel. And it really means a lot to us and it's free. So give it a try. Push like and subscribe and I hope to see you back. Now let's finish this cab and I will give this cab away to a randomly selected person who comments on this video. So please comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll be sending this off free of charge, shipping included, to somebody who makes a comment below. Okay, so now that I've got the right shape, I am going to start doming this cabochon. And I think I'm gonna dome both sides and try to make it into a beautiful three-dimensional piece. So let's get going. Okay, here we are. We're working on this. I've gone up to the 280. We're going to start on the 600. We'll see what it turns out like. I just wanted to show you that this is where we started our journey, and this beautiful piece. You know, don't give up if you don't see bands and so on in there, because look at this, and who knew what this would turn into. So this is where we started, and this is where we ended up. This is a beautiful cab, and I'd love for one of you to have it. Please make a comment and I'll randomly choose a winner and ship it off to you free of charge. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Take care. Bye.